Hello everyone, I am Jomar Sigertes and now let's talk about the Fibonacci sequence. Arat na! What is the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of number where a number is the addition of the last two numbers, starting with 0 and 1. And these are the Fibonacci sequence: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and so on.
What's the pattern? Each number of Fibonacci sequence is obtained by adding together the previous two. For example, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 8 equals 13, 8 plus 13 equals 21, 13 plus 21 equals 34, 21 plus 34 equals 55, and so on.
So now let's tackle the origins of the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci, Leonardo Pisano Bucolo. Fibonacci was his nickname. First introduced the series of numbers known as the Fibonacci sequence in his book Liber Abbasi in 1202. Fibonacci was a member of the important Italian trading family in the 12th and 13th century. Being part of a trading family, mathematics was an integral part of the business. Fibonacci traveled throughout the Middle East and India and was captivated by the mathematical ideas from his travels. His book Liber Abbasi was a discourse on the mathematical methods in commerce that Fibonacci observed during his travels, and that's the origin of the Fibonacci sequence. So now, let us proceed to the Fibonacci sequence in nature. The sequence that can be observed in nature such as flowers, fruits, plants, and vegetables, and many more. Now, I have an examples of flowers that can be found in our area.
This is Anthurium flower. As you can see, it has one petal, which is a number 1 is in the Fibonacci sequence. This beautiful pink flower, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, which is a number 5 is in the Fibonacci sequence. This lovely yellow flower has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals, which is number 8 is in the Fibonacci sequence. Here's a different kind of Fibonacci flower. Don't start counting all the petals on that one. What we're looking for at here is a deeper Fibonacci pattern, spirals. We can see two kinds of spirals here. One of each is highlighted below. Try counting how many of each spiral are in the flower. If you're careful, you'll find that there are 8 in one direction and 13 in the other.
Like a Hellcat.